r/VR, exploring new frontiers in immersive technology. In recent years, augmented reality, R, and virtual reality, VR, have emerged as two of the most exciting technologies in the world of computing. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with digital content, bringing it to life in new and exciting ways. In this video, we will explore the latest developments in R/VR technology, including its applications in fields such as gaming, education, and healthcare. We will also discuss the challenges and opportunities that these technologies present, and what the future may hold for R/VR. Welcome to this video on R/VR, exploring new frontiers in immersive technology. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the world of augmented and virtual reality, exploring their potential uses and the latest developments in these exciting technologies. Augmented reality and virtual reality are two of the most exciting technologies that are transforming the way we interact with digital content. Augmented reality is the integration of digital information with the user's real-world environment, while virtual reality is the creation of a completely immersive digital environment that simulates real-world experiences. R and VR are becoming increasingly popular in various fields such as gaming, education, healthcare, and many others. Gaming is perhaps the most popular use case for R and VR technologies. Many game developers are using R and VR to create more immersive and interactive gaming experiences that allow players to explore and interact with virtual worlds in new and exciting ways. But gaming is just the tip of the iceberg. R and VR technologies are also being used in education to create more engaging and interactive learning experiences for students. In healthcare, R and VR are being used to simulate medical procedures and surgeries, allowing doctors to practice in a safe and controlled environment. One of the biggest challenges facing R and VR technologies is the need for high-quality content. The success of these technologies is heavily dependent on the availability of engaging and immersive content that can capture the user's attention and keep them engaged. This is why content creators are now exploring new ways to create more engaging and interactive experiences that can truly take advantage of these technologies. Augmented reality, R, and virtual reality, VR, have become increasingly popular in recent years, and as a result, many companies have developed cutting-edge gadgets and devices to take advantage of these exciting technologies. In this article, we will take a look at the top 10 R/VR gadgets that are currently available on the market. 1. Oculus Quest 2. The Oculus Quest 2 is a popular VR headset that offers a high-quality immersive experience with no wires or external sensors required. 2. HoloLens 2. The HoloLens 2 is an AR headset that offers a fully immersive mixed reality experience, allowing users to interact with digital content in the real world. 3. Magic Leap 1. The Magic Leap 1 is an AR headset that offers a unique spatial computing experience, allowing users to interact with digital content in a natural way. 4. Sony PlayStation VR. The PlayStation VR is a popular VR headset that is designed specifically for use with the Sony PlayStation gaming console. 5. HTC Vive Pro. The HTC Vive Pro is a high-end VR headset that offers a premium VR experience with advanced features such as eye tracking and wireless connectivity. 6. Microsoft Windows Mixed Reality Headsets. The Microsoft Windows Mixed Reality headsets are a range of R/VR headsets that are designed to work with Windows PCs and offer a fully immersive experience. 7. Samsung Gear VR. The Samsung Gear VR is a popular VR headset that is designed to work with Samsung smartphones, allowing users to experience VR content on their mobile devices. 8. Google Daydream View. The Google Daydream View is a VR headset that is designed to work with Google Pixel smartphones, providing users with a high-quality VR experience. 9. Vuzix Blade R Smart Glasses. The Vuzix Blade R Smart Glasses are a pair of AR glasses that offer a hands-free computing experience, allowing users to interact with digital content without the need for a smartphone or other device. 10. Meta 2R headset. The Meta 2R headset is a high-end AR headset that offers a fully immersive mixed reality experience, allowing users to interact with digital content in the real world. And that's it for this video on r/VR, exploring new frontiers in immersive technology. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. As you can see, AR and VR are rapidly evolving technologies that have the potential to transform many aspects of our lives. We can't wait to see what the future holds for these exciting technologies. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel to explore the tech world.